In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom PowerPoint template using SlideMaster, allowing you to design your own unique slide background in PowerPoint. We'll be going through the entire process step by step, so whether you're a seasoned PowerPoint user or a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow along easily. We'll start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Once you have it open, navigate to the PowerPoint presentation you want to modify. This is important because everything we do will apply directly to this specific presentation. Next, head over to the View tab in the PowerPoint menu. The View tab is your gateway to all sorts of customization options, including the one we're focusing on today, Slide Master. You'll find the Slide Master option right there. Clicking on it brings us into a powerful editing space designed specifically for making custom changes that apply across your entire presentation. Once you are in the Slide Master view, locate and click on the very first slide in the panel on the left. This slide is crucial because changes made here will set the template for your entire presentation, giving all your slides a cohesive look and feel. From the Slide Master tab, go ahead and click on Background Styles. You'll see a drop-down menu, select Format Background from the list. This is where the real customization begins. The Format Background panel provides various options, but today we are focusing on creating a visually stunning background, so select Picture or Texture Fill. After selecting this option, look for the Insert button, which you will then click. Several options will appear, but for this tutorial, let's use stock images by clicking on it. PowerPoint offers a wide range of stock images to choose from, ensuring you find something that fits the vibe or theme of your presentation. Browse through this gallery and select a background image that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click Insert again, and voila! The image is now set as the background for your Slide Master. This means that every standard slide in your presentation will now feature your chosen background. It's a simple yet effective way to ensure all slides are consistently styled, providing a professional look throughout your presentation. There you have it, you've successfully created a custom PowerPoint template using SlideMaster. This process allows you to incorporate personalized or thematic elements easily into your presentations, enriching your storytelling and visual appeal. Be sure to save your work to keep the changes intact and enjoy your beautifully customized PowerPoint template. Thanks for joining me today and happy presenting.